Oh, let's see if this whole thing's loaded yet. I had to go somewhere, so I'm back now. Oh, well, looky here. Yeah, I want to set it up. So, what button is it? F8. Format using the NTFS file system. F. Well, it's going to formatted hard drive, so good computer. For some odd reason, it just took a little while for it to load the information off the CD. What's that now? 1%, 2%. Well, I got another computer. I gotta see if I can put that power supply back in it.
Now, laptop hard drive, what size is it? I forget. $60 gigs. This is a 10 gig. Came out of a
NEC computer. I've got computer shit lying all over the place. Yeah, this computer here has got a Celeron I'm going to say 2.6 gigahertz processor in it. It's got 768 megs of RAM. CD writer. It's got a 40 gig hard drive in it. It's fixing to have Windows XP Home Edition installed on it. What's that? 12%. Oh, it's gonna take a while for it to do this. Be right back.